Hello everyone, I am Anurag Kumar Singh from section 11, roll number 21MT10005, and for my DIY assignment 2, I have created a replica of golden trophy using FreeCAD. So basically the trophy consists of two parts, the main frame consisting of the base and the top lid consisting of the handle. Focusing on the main frame, the lower supportive base is created using the pad feature and has a thickness of 2 mm. The main base supporting the frame of the trophy is again created using the pad feature and is 30 mm long. To create the main frame of the trophy, I used the revolve feature and it gave it a thickness of 1.5 mm. Coming back to the lid of the trophy, the lid is also created using the revolution feature. I have used cone from the set of frames to create the handle of the lid. Now let us go to Cura to see the printing settings. So as you can see, the estimated time is given to be 6 hours and 18 minutes. Thank you for watching the video.